Chair, my question, I would like to address my question to Yusek Cabral. Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, meron po kasing lumabas na ngayon lang na report na sinasabi po dito, noong 2016 up to 2025, meron daw pong 87.1B na insertion ang Davao City. Pwede po ba pakikumpirma po ninyo to?
For accuracy, Mr. Chair, of my response, I have to check the records in the office because I do not have the data. I cannot confirm those numbers, and I'll have to check with the records, Your Honor, Mr. Chair.
Okay, thank you. Now, dito po sa 2016 to 2025, 48.4B noong pong taong 2019 to 2021. That is 60% of the 81.1B na infra project for that period. Pwede po ba pakiconfirm po ito?
Again, Your Honor, Mr. Chair, I have to check the records to be
Okay,
accurate.
ito pong may lumabas po dito sa Politico. DPWH confirms 51B allocation to Paulo Duterte's district in last 3 years of Rodi's term. Ito po ba totoo?
May I know the date?
Kayo po ang nakalagay dito na nag-confirm yun. DPWH Undersecretary Maria Catalina Cabral. Kayo po ba to?
Your Honor. Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, so kino-confirm po ninyo.
Again, I have to check, Your Honor, because I'm not accurate. I'm not certain about the number on the published news of Politico, Your Honor.
Ayan po, may nakalagay pa po dito na base sa report ng aming programming division, we confirm na yung pong mga amount na nabanggit ninyo noong 2020, 2021, 2022, based po sa National Expenditure Program ng DPWH at yung pong General Appropriation Act o GAA sa distritong ito ay tama po and we confirm those budget. Ano po masasabi niyo dito?
Again, Your Honor, I no longer recall, so I have to confirm with the records in the office, Your Honor, Mr. Chair.
Okay. And dito po sa 51 billion, based sa record po, at based din dito sa newspaper na, dito po sa online article, 29B was inserted sometime in 2021 budget for GAA. Do you confirm that?
Again, Your Honor, I have no records on hand. I have to confirm with the planning service, Your Honor.
All right. Kaya ako po tinatanong, Yusek, di po ba noong mga panahon na to, pandemic? 2020 po yata yung pandemic.
2020 to 2021 yata, Your Honor.
And yet, meron pa pong flood control na ganito kalaki. Di po ba ng mga taon na yun, parang umutang pa po tayo, yung bansa natin, kung hindi po ako nagkakamali?
I have no knowledge,
Para po
Your
sa
Honor.
mga medical kit, sa lahat po ng mga, kasi pandemic po nun eh.
I have no knowledge of the...
Kasi
pangungutang po.
kung ganito po kalaki to, bakit pa po tayo ng utang? Di sana ito na lang po ay ginamit na lang natin para po sana hindi na po tayo ng utang.
Sige, okay. Sandali na po, Chairman Joel. I will confront you with the quote in the news report. Kasi kanina po yung sinasabi na hindi nyo maalala, ipapaalala ko sa inyo. This is the Politico article. DPWH Undersecretary Maria Catalina Cabral confirmed the report circulating on social media in a television interview. Base sa report ng aming programming division, we confirm na yun pong mga amounts na nabanggit ninyo noong 2020, 2021, 2022, base po sa National Expenditure Program, NEP, ng DPWH at yun pong General Appropriations Act, GAA, sa distritong ito ay tama po, and we confirm those budget. So, naalala niyo na po ba, Undersecretary Cabral?
Guys, hawak ko ngayon ang report. See, inani ka baga ang report. Davao City Projects 2020-2022. May nitong gi-question sa House of Representatives sa ilang hearing. So, dini na ito makita ang tanang flood control projects sa Davao City. See? Klaro kayo na libro, perting bagaa. Office of the 1st Congressional District, Davao City, 2020-2022, Davao City Projects. Example, sa first page, mauni siya ang various projects. Sa first page, makita na to Davao City District Engineering Office. Yan. So, kompleto po. Name of project, preventive maintenance, asphalt overlay, Daang Maharlika Highway. 44,982 revised contract amount. December 16, 2022. See? Expiry date, meron. Ayan. Kita nyo picture? So, asphalt. So, ayan din. Meron din siya. Ayan. December 16, 2022. What else? Dami pa, oh. See?
Flood control.
Flood control. Asan ang flood control? Okay. Okay, so, ito na, flood control. Construction of reverment. Tama? Reverment. Davao River, flood control, Bolton Bridge, upstream, SAR, New Matina, phase 1. 45 million. 80, tama? Tama ba ako? 45 million? 45,080,000? Okay. Revised contract amount, February 7, 2020. Ito yung mga kinustyon ng mga taon na August 11. Expiry date. Final. Ayan. Yan o, flood control. Muna siya sa Davao River. See, kompleto guys, oh. Department of Public Works and Highways, Davao City Engineering Office, my address, project ID number, name. Ayan pa. So, another project. So, 86 million. Yan. With photos, corresponding photos, my report. Yan. Flood control project, construction pa rin, Talomo River. CO, December 13, 2020, 86,186,000. So, ito yung hinahanap nila na 51 billion ng mga congressmen. So, another, flood mitigation structure, construction, name of project, ayan, project ID number, ayan. So, contract amount, 43,738,000. December 9. Expiry, September. Flood control, yan, So, another, flood control. Flood mitigation structure, Bunawan River, 43 million. December 10, 2020. So, another, construction, Lasang River naman, 67 million. Yan, so, dili siya ghost. Diba? Dili ghost project. Klaro man, na picture, na ay pangalan. Yes, may mga date. So, saan pa? Davao River, 60 million. Galing nga sa Davao City District Engineering Office, DPWH. So, ito rin, flood control project. Davao River, 86. So, ito din, Davao River. Davao River Bridge. Yan, mga flood control projects. So, ano pa? Asan kayo? O diba, sabi ni Yusek Cabral, ano sabi ni Yusek Cabral? Wala namang problema sa 51 million kasi merong papel, merong mga proof, may mga ebidensya. Yan. So, in short, na-account yung 51 billion. Yan, guys. So, ganito siya ka-take itong libro. So, wala lang siyang pages. Kung anong, ilang pages ito, wala siyang pages. Ayan. So, ganito siya kakapal. So, may itamparo sa mga congressmen na nag-question o dirigid initan ng Davao City, guys. Kabaga. So, available lang din siya. Nani sa DPWH, City Engineering Office, kanina libro. So, kung ano rin siya, kanang open book, kunya, public documents man eh. I believe na public documents, pwede na niya makita. Okay? So, yan. Bye.